Alright, so we're going to find the 12th, or A12, which means the 12th term. So on this one, our n value is 12. So if we find out 7 minus 4 is 3, 10 minus 7 is 3, 13 minus 10 is 3. So we can see this is arithmetic. And so our n value is 12, our common difference is 3, and a1 is 4. So we can write our equation. A of n equals 4 plus 3 times n minus 1. And now for this one, we want to find a12. So our n value is 12. So 4 plus 3 times 12 minus 1. So we got 4 plus 3 times 11, 4 plus 33, that gives us 37. So a of 12 is equal to 37. Now if we want to find a of 22, again, our n value is 22. Common difference is the same. Our first term is the same. So we set up our equation. A of n equals 4 plus 3 times n minus 1. Again, our n value this time is 22, so a of 22 equals 4 plus 3 times 22 minus 1. So we got 4 plus 3 times 21, 4 plus 63. Our 22nd term is 67. So we can easily find whatever term they ask us to find. 1, term 2, term 3, term 4, term 5. This here is 37 is term 12, and 67 is term 22. Now for the second, or the B or C and D, they want us to find what term the actual number is. So again, we have our equation. A of n equals, I'm going to write up here, equals 4 plus 3 times n minus 1. This time we are finding out what n is. We know a of n equals 40. Since a of n equals 40 and a of n equals 4 plus 3 times n minus 1, that means that those two, 4 plus 3 times n minus 1, is going to be equal to 40, since they are equal to the same thing. So 4 plus 3 times n minus 1. And if we subtract by 4, we get 36 is equal to 3 times n minus 1. Divide by 3, 12 is equal to n minus 1. And then we add 1, we get n equals 13th. So our 13th term is 40. Or we could also write that a of 13 equals 40. And we can do that for our other one as well. So we got same idea. A of n equals 76. So 76 is equal to 4 plus 3 times n minus 1. 72 is equal to 3 times n minus 1. 24 is equal to n minus 1. So n is 25. So 76 is the 25th term. 25th. Let's write that better. 25th term. And again, we could write that a of 25 equals 76. Now the next part is going to be, here we have geometric. 8 divided by 4 equals 2. 16 divided by 8 equals 2. 32 divided by 16 equals 2. So I think we can agree that this is a geometric sequence. So our A1 is 4. Our common ratio is 2. Here again we want to find A12. Well, let's write our equation. A of n is going to equal 4 times 2 to the n minus 1. We want to find A of 12. So A of 12 is equal to 4 times 2 to the 12 minus 1. So A of 12 is going to equal 4 times 2 to the 11th, and 2 to the 11th is 2048. So we have A of 12 equals 4 times 2048, and so A of 12 is going to equal 8,192. So our 12th term is 8,192. If we want to find A of 22, same idea. A of 22 equals 4 times 2, 22 minus 1. A of 22 equals 4 times 2 to the 21st. And 2 to the 21st is 2,097,152. So A of 22 equals 4 times 2,097,152. And so our 22nd term is 8,388,608. And that's how we find the different terms, A of 22, A of 12, for geometric, and this was arithmetic, and then this one, the second part of this, was how to find what term an actual number is.